Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial here on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I invite you to another tutorial here on IT.tutorials. I'm continuing the series of tutorials in regard to grocery vegetable list project. This project is done using ASP.NET Core MVC 3.1. This tutorial has the goal to install Entity Framework. Therefore, go and click on Tools here in Visual Studio, and after select Nugget Package Manager, and here Manage Nugget Package for Solution. Click on it, and here select Browse, and type in this text box Microsoft. Here it is. So this is what I'm talking about: Microsoft Entity Framework Core.SQL Server. Yeah, it is this one. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, and on the right side, tick these two: project and the name of the project, grocery veg list. This is the latest stable version of Microsoft Entity Framework Core.SQL Server, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use 3.1.5. yeah, it's this one. Yeah, 3.1.5. select it. You can install if you want the latest version, but you might receive errors. So I would recommend you to install the same version as me. So 3.1.5. Yeah, click on install. Click on OK. Accept the terms. And here you go, the Microsoft Entity Framework Core SQL Server was installed. If you want to check that, just go and click on Installed. Let's clear the text box, and here you go. Yeah, here you will have update. Yeah, because as you know, there is a latest version 6.0.5. okay, but we are going to use this version 3.1.5. also we need Microsoft Entity Framework Core.tools in order to be able to use the commands to create the migration and to create a database. Yeah, so it is about this one. Yeah, go on the right side and tick the project and the name of the project. Also, we do the same thing. We are not gonna to install the latest stable version. I'm gonna to install the same version 3.1.5 is this one. Yeah, here you go. Click on install. OK, accept the terms, and the Microsoft Entity Framework Core Tools was installed. Yeah, just go and check here, clear the text box, and here you go. This Microsoft Entity Framework Core.tools was installed. Also, you can check this here in Solution Explorer. If you expand the dependencies, after the packages, and here you go, you have Microsoft Entity Framework Core.SQL Server 3.1.5, and the another one is Microsoft Entity Framework Core.tools, the version 3.1.5. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.